mobile home. Lady already paid me over the phone when she made the order, and everything shows to be pretty accurate. Pretty soiled though, but my prices cover pretty soiled. So I'm gonna be using carpet details. She got everything moved out. I'm gonna be moving the sofa back and forth, but we're gonna see how it turns out, you know. How much this improvement's gonna be. Over in this area, I'm not sure about this. There's some color. That's probably not gonna come out too well. Yeah. Other than that, we'll see what the carpet detail can do to this. If not, I'll mix up some spotter. This 20 volume peroxide. I'm assuming this is some kind of, you can see it break up as soon as it hits it. Now we already pre-sprayed it and it was still there, right? So that wasn't gonna take it out. That's when you gotta get your specialty spot removal stuff out. I don't charge extra for this when it's just, you know, here and there. But if it was excessive, I had to bring out the steamer, then that'd be a different story. So we'll let that sit, see what happens. So what I do is I'll break out the 20 volume or my organic spot treatment removal and go through here at the beginning and hit whatever I think may need it. Now, this is some ink and stuff like that. That I'm not going to clean because that's some specialty spot removal stuff right there. But I don't know, I might change my mind. I'm pretty generous. See when I'll put the ink thing there. If it comes up easy, I'll take care of it. No extra charge. So that's all I can see other than that ink. This is the kitchen area here. There's really dark stuff. I'm not sure what that is. But you see, being it's coming out of the kitchen, doing a little detective work. Maybe it's organic coffee, whatever. Okay, so I'm thinking it's ink, but not entirely sure. Pretty good now. All right, so it looks like either that was ink or whatever it was just came up. So but there's still some, like, I don't know about it, I don't know, it's like burnt fiber or something down there, that dark stuff, so can't clean that. Okay, so this is proxy spraying walk away, so I'll do a post spray on this. So if it doesn't come out initially, do a post spray. It works over time. As it dries, it disappears. 99% of it came out, but you know, it won't hurt to do a little post spray on it. Everything's coming up good. Got to this point here, and it's a little darker, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little spotter on there and see if it makes a difference. Let that soak a little bit. I'll do the Nike shovel, but this ain't Nikes. But that's it, and then I'll do it, and then I'll come back to that. And if it doesn't line up, that's a high pH, it ain't going nowhere. This is polyester, notorious for that. So that spotter, hit that. Rather than doing the whole carpet high pH, I believe it's kind of do it where you need it. Save your rinse. It's on. Magic eraser. All right, so not even I thought it would come out looking that good. Looks brand new. Customer's gonna be really happy, and I can guarantee you, she'll never use anybody else again. Some people might call that cocky. I just know what I do and what other people don't. my prices handle if I walk into a job and it needs some higher pH cleaning solutions and stuff like that. My prices handle that, right? So I don't have to go in there and say, oh well, it's really dirty, so I'm gonna have to up the price on you. Only time I up the prices is if it needs enzymes or something like that, or a lot of specialty spot removal. So we're gonna wrap this one up and get to our next one.